Okay, Grease of Champions. Premium high temp grease. That must be the good stuff. They wouldn't say it if it wasn't. Ooh, that's some of that red junk. All right. I feel even better now. Look at that junk. What if it's going to do anything? Probably not. It'd be nice if this was a flange nut, so it spread the load out a lot better. That'd be a definite upgrade. I have yet to do that on mine either, so it tears up this brass washer something fierce. And look at the precision fitment of that washer. That you can't get it that bad. Yeah, that's about the closest you can ever get. Look at that. That's perfect. Yeah. Okay, we still need a nut. Let me wipe off the. Yeah, that's my clean rag, dumbass. That was my clean rag. Got the dirty rags over here. Okay. I'm going to guess that's about an inch and a 16th. Let's go with this one. That looks like metric. Why has it got metric? I thought this was the American stuff. Obviously it's not. His tools are mixed up. What kind of quality control do we have in here? Mixing up your tools like that. Well, we got Americans. See, you got to keep your tools working correctly. It's all about placement. Okay, let's go with this one. Whatever this is, I like. Oh, that's not going to work. That's way too small. Oh, we need a deep too. That's another problem. Probably don't have a deep well, do we? I think we're screwed on sockets. All right. Well, I brought my universal socket with me. I still don't know what these are for. Oh, I bet you these are for assembly. That's probably. I never used it for assembly. Oh, don't put your caliper underneath your tools. That's not good for your calipers. Okay, let's see. Here's my universal socket right here. 12-incher. We'll make that work. The problem is I got to hold one side and tighten that side, so it's going to be a pain in the butt to do this. I used to have a power tool. I just go zzz, zzz, and do it that way. Let's see. He did have some sockets somewhere though. Let's not just give up just yet on that. He did have some deep well. Well, that was up here. Those are deep well, but not very big. Yeah, that's probably all he's got. There's some specialty stuff he set up in here. Not that special. Yeah, he ain't gonna have it. Whoop. Just didn't have anything really good over here. Had a bunch of junk. You got squat in here. Yeah, garbage. All right, let's go measure that nut so at least you know what we need. He needs to buy 1020. That'd be called a 1 1/16 socket. Deep well. That is what is needed in order to use power tools. All right, well, we don't have that here, so I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Brute strength. Mr. Brute is gonna work on that. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this somehow on the table. I'm gonna switch over to the longer one. This. No, I don't want to use this. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do this on the floor. There's no way we're going to do that without being on the floor. I'll guarantee you that one. All right. Jam that right in there so it's not moving there very far. Put that on there. Put this over here. And start working. Moved. Did you hear it move? Oh, well, that's a workout. My back is just not appreciating this angle of attack on my body. Dogs don't like that ding dong noise. Oh, it's tight. Definitely a slow process. Gonna be here a while. You might. We'll get it next time. What are you doing? Come on to visit? There we go. There we go. We got it now. There we go. You like that? Things I'm playing with. Dogs always like to play. The bearing came out. And my back is still sort of intact. It'd be nice if the pad was over a little bit further from my knee, but yeah, whatever. It is what it is. Okay. Okay, bearing hole looks nice. Does that pass your approval over there? Yeah. Does that pass your approval? See right there. Looks good. What are you doing, huh? Does that smell good? You gonna pee on that? Did somebody else pee on that wheel already? Yeah, somebody else peed on that wheel already. Yeah, it's you probably. What are you doing? Oh, there's a tag. Getting tag teamed over here. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you like that. Yeah. Yeah, one. He looks left out. Watch out, I'm gonna step on you, get on my foot. Okay, so this see appeared to work pretty good. The threads are definitely still intact, so it seems to be a pretty good tool. You can feel them, they're working good, they weren't tearing up, they weren't getting harder. So the threads are not being damaged, unlike those other piece of crap tools I made out there. So this appears to be a pretty good tool. We'll find out by the time we're done because we got 3 more to go. Let's see. Let's get to 16ths. Break a bar out, it'll be easier. Oh, it's already loose. Huh. That loosened up already? Why was that loose? I tightened the piss out of that nut. It should have been tight. That's weird. Something must have moved. The hard part about it is you gotta take it all apart to do this. Slow process. You can see the threads are still nice and black, no damage on them. You got a semi-lube there. You can see how the brass wash is doing its job with that little bit of grease I put on it. Appeared to hold up halfway decent, but that does tear up over time. Definitely need a flange nut on here. Be a big improvement. Obviously the washer's not even close to being the right size. And the bearing comes right out like that. There you go. No damage at all. So the threads are still really nice and intact, no damage. Didn't appear to do any damage on that either. Pulled good. So I'd say they heat treated this and made it correctly. So far Ultima tools have been pretty good. I haven't seen anything that's, the machining is not the best. It's a little rough. It's it's good quality. It's just not super finished, smite finish. Jim's does have a lot better finishing on their tools, but they cost 3-4 times more too. So you do get what you pay for a little bit. So it's just up to you how much you want to spend on your parts and your tools. Okay, so the next problem is I don't think there's any way in the world I'm going to be able to put this together without pulling that pulley off. Now, as far as that bearing comes out, you want to make sure you got a full nut of thread on here. So this is my absolute minimum distance here, and there's no way the pulley is going to be that damn thick. So there's no way I can do it with a pulley on it. The brake rotor I was able to get by with it, doing it that way, but oh, there goes the wheel sleeve. Your tube spacer in the middle. Definitely important that you have those in there. If you do not have this in there, you will destroy your bearings real quick. Okay. Here's the jump box. So, when you look at this right here, you can see that you got another inch of height you need to do this. And you can see that I don't have an inch, I have 1/8 of an inch. These bearings are probably 900 thou thick, so I need to have that distance here, and I don't have it. So we are definitely going to have to pull this pulley off to make it work. So that is a must-do situation. Alright, I am going to see if we got some airline fittings came in today, because we got to get that tank fixed up so I can use power gun? No, we don't have that. We got zip gun over here we can use. One of those. Alright. Let me get some sockets and we'll be back.